This is a video on how to check the oil in the gearbox on a Haben mower deck. And there's a gearbox in here that has oil in it. And we have the deck off because it's easier to get to. In the side of that box there is a level screw, and I took it out. It has a little Allen wrench head in it, and it's about the center of the box, and it's on the left side. It'll be all right. And it would be on any side of the box. You take that little Allen screw out and the oil should flow out of there. If it doesn't flow out of there, it is too low, and all you have to do is get some SAE 7590 or so gear oil, and you get that in there. Now you can't get this tube in the hole. I made us take a piece of hose, stick it into that little set screw hole, take the other end of the hose, and it's dirty now. We'll clean that up. Put the tube on there and just squirt some oil in there. You can't put too much in there because when you pull the hose out of the set screw, you pull the hose out of the set screw in there, it will just run out till it's at the right level. It's that easy. Now if you want to help it run down a little bit, you can put a compressor on the end of the hose just gently to squeeze the oil down. It's a little thick, and it'll run right in there, and it just needs to be up to the level when it runs back out. When it runs back out, bingo, you got the right level. All you have to do is put that little set screw back in.